Do you want to know how you can log into your Citibank credit card account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Citibank credit card account. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser and then go to the Google search bar and then search for Citi Card login. Now click on the first link which appears, or you can see please log in. Go ahead and click on this link and it will lead you to a login portal where you can log into your account. So after clicking in the link, you can see that you can write down your user ID, your password, and then click sign on. This way you can successfully log into your Citibank credit card account. If you haven't registered your account and want to activate it, go ahead and click these two links. And if you have forgotten your password or your user ID, these are the links you want to go through to recover back your account. If you want passwordless sign-in, go ahead and click it. What you need to do now is open your Citibank app on your phone and scan this QR code. This way you can log into your Citibank credit card account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.